This is our new and detailed light. Phillips screwdriver, 10mm socket tool. Open the trunk. Remove the trunk trim panel. There are 4 retaining clips here. They can be easily removed by hand. Then remove the trunk trim panel. Please note that there is a trunk light plug here. Disconnect the plug. Remove the trim panel. There is another retaining clip here. Remove it. Pull back the foam padding behind the tail light. There is one mounting screw inside the tail light area. There is also an original vehicle side plug. Disconnect the original plug. Use a 10mm socket tool. Remove the screw. Use a Phillips screwdriver. Remove the outer tail light screw. Next, we will show 2 methods to remove the tail light. Use a trim removal tool to pry out the tail light. Be careful not to scratch the vehicle body during removal. Apply tape to the tail light first. Apply the tape 4 times to make it strong enough. Press the tape firmly. Then pull the tail light outward to remove it. Next, disconnect the reverse light plug. The reverse light is located here. Disconnect the reverse light plug. Press this area. Pull it out gently. This is the connection harness included in the package. Route the supplied harness downward in this direction. Feed it down from here. This is the male plug. This is the female plug. Connect the male plug to the original vehicle side plug. Connect the female plug to the original reverse light bulb. Reinstall the reverse light bulb in its original position. Make sure it is fully tightened. There is a plastic cover panel here that needs to be removed. Push it out from inside the trunk. Slowly push it out from the trunk side. Remove the plastic cover panel. These 2 plugs are used to connect the tail lights. Feed the plugs through this opening. This is the supplied harness included in the package. The lower reverse light bulb has already been connected. Now each plug needs to be connected to one tail light. Take out our latest and detailed light. Install the tail light. Route the harness through this opening. Feed it through to this position for connection. Press the tail light into place. Connect the tail light assembly plug. Connect the supplied harness plug. Pull the remaining plug to the other side. This plug is used for the dummy load resistor. The wiring for the fog lights is below on the other side. Using the same position and the same steps, install the other side. Tighten the screws. Reinstall the trunk trim panel. Reinstall the retaining clips. The switch plugs can be placed here. This makes it easy to switch the functions later. All installation steps are now complete.